Hi guys, I'm Utkarshi and today I'm here with the story of Little Red Riding Hood. And I know you all have heard this story because it's so popular story for children written by Charles Perrault. And today I make paper cuttings of this story and I'm going to tell and show this story. And if I hope that you will have fun in this video, and if you have fun in this video, then please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my videos on time. Okay, so let's start. So you can see here there is a forest I have made, and you can see grandma's house and the house of Little Red Riding Hood. So let's start the story. Little Red Riding Hood is a small girl who lived in a forest with her mother, and her mother is saying, "Little Red Riding Hood, you have to go and give these goodies to your grandmother who is so sick." You can see that Little Red Riding Hood has goodies in a basket in her hand. So she went, and her mother also says that please do not talk to strangers. Okay mom, I'm going. So she is going through the forest. Wow, so many butterflies, flowers, and yum fruits also. She is passing through the forest. Wow, beautiful duckling. While she was looking at the duckling, a bad wolf was seeing her, and the wolf was so hungry and he wanted to eat Little Red Riding Hood. "Hi dear, I want to be your friend. Will you talk to me?" Little Red Riding Hood thinks that she do not talk to the wolf because her mother said that don't talk to strangers. So she didn't reply and went on her way. She also sees the butterflies also, and the bad wolf knows that what to do. He went to grandma's house and do knock knock. Poor grandma thinks that there is Little Red Riding Hood on the door, and she says, "My dear child, please come inside. I am waiting for you. I know that you have brought goodies for me." And the door opens. Here is the cupboard of grandma, you can see. She screams while seeing the wolf, "Oh, save me, my goodness." And the wolf locked the grandma in the cupboard. "Please open the door. Please save me, anyone." And the wolf wears the cloth of grandma. You can see that he is wearing the cloth of grandma and lays on the bed. And when the Little Red Riding Hood comes, she thinks that there is grandma lying on the bed, and she asks, "Oh, my grandma, why do you have so big ears?" And wolf says that so that I could hear you, my child. And she says that why do you have so big eyes? And the grandma says, so that I can see you clearly, my child. Okay, so why do you have so big teeth? And the wolf stands up and says, so that I can eat you. And the Little Red Riding Hood screams, "Oh, save me, anybody. Please save me." And while the wolf was going to eat Little Red Riding Hood, a hunter in the forest hears this scream, and he also had a gun, and goes and shoots the wolf immediately. Tishkow, tishkow. And the grandma is also free now. Everybody thanked the hunter and they lived happily. So this was the story of Little Red Riding Hood. I hope that you liked my story. Bye bye. Have a good day.